The two sisters lived a very happy life. Not a care in the world. All until one day.
It's never rained here before.
Especially not like that.
It's weird.
Let's watch the news.
Okay. Today on the Weather Channel.
Hello, my name is Bobby Woodlake, here to give to you today's weather forecast. But you never saw that one coming. Anyway, so today, we have a 99.999999998765432123456789999% chance of rain, which could lead to what was that word again? Oh, which could lead to very serious tornadoes. Thank you. Have a good day.
Oh no. Quick, under the table!
It's not getting any better.
Yeah, it doesn't sound it.
What's that noise?
Yeah, I can hear it too.
Wait.
It must be.
It's Bobby Woodlake. Every year we pick one lucky contestant to be pranked, and this year it was you.
Wait, so this was all a prank?
We never signed up for this.
Well, you see, we pick randomly.